Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It.
What is up, my birdies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production Publishing here, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. It is a Beat the Clock challenge where we try to make a beat in 10 minutes. So you guys, for those of you that don't know, it's, we start from scratch in FL Studio, and we got 10 minutes to make a beat. Nothing really more complex to say. So yeah, I'm gonna start my timer right now that we just started. And I'm gonna go and try to make a hit. If I can find my mouse. There's my mouse. Alright. So, I'm gonna go ahead and grab an 808. The dizzies. Normalize. Oh, crap. So, I already want to do this. Dun, da, 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 da. Alright, Control A, Control L. Helpers, scale highlighting. Alright, so part of the key is alright. We might change that around a little bit later, but I'm gonna use the all. Alright, we're gonna Control A. So let's copy this over. Our whole goal is just to get this bounce going before we get the melody going. So then we can make the melody around the bounce, and it's gonna be a hit. God damn it. Where is? Come on, hit play. I'm looking for a good clap. That's really subjective, but I'm looking for the right clap. Couldn't find the right one, but it doesn't matter. I don't got a lot of time. Type in volume. I mean, value, not volume. How much time we got left? We got 5 minutes. Alright, so we'll come up with the rest. Why do I keep wanting to save it? I'm just so used to saving. Alright. Let's get the Omnisphere going. I'm thinking the bell vibe. I'm trying to think of a melody in my head while this is loading. I guess we're just gonna. Alright. Refresh it a couple times because we don't know what we want. Nope, that ain't gonna be it. So if you hear a buzzing, that's my phone. We got 4 minutes. We got what kind of bullshit? I just don't like any of these. Ooh. Speakers. Let's get a little compression going so we can. We got a little something basic going. Expand. Thinking if we get a piano going in the background, like as it might work as a fast melody with a counter melody. Nope. our timer is done, so I don't really get the time to really do what I was wanting to do. So let me just add this finalizer real quick. Just see what we got. So I'm just doing like something real quick, just so we get a little master that's solidified, and I'm just gonna, our timer's already up. It's not I'm kind of like, I'm indifferent about it. It's not the slapper that I was hoping to make, but it was for just something off the top of my head. Not horrible, but alright, so let's just get this structured. Something super basic. So I'll play it for you guys. I'm gonna cut off my mic. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Gonna try to get the YouTube videos back up. Just been super busy. I think the next YouTube video, I might give you guys some more details on what's all been going on, reason why there has been such a long hiatus, and all that other such. So yeah, this is Andrew. I'll see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and share. And check out the website.